love right there.
Alright.
Large hot oat latte. Hello guys, good morning. It is Monday. Happy Monday. Remember yesterday when I said I was feeling under the weather? Insert clip here. Well, I'm feeling under the weather. I don't feel like disgustingly sick, but this exact thing happened 2 weeks ago where I just started feeling like the beginning of a cold. Last week, it was like one day. Remember that sick vlog? It was like one day when I was like, okay, I'm feeling, actually it wasn't last week, it was 2 weeks ago. Anyways, it was just the beginning of a cold and it never fully settled in. I feel the exact same way. Like my throat's sore, my nose is runny, but that's it. I just feel kind of like achy, but not horrible. So I'm still gonna like record and like go about my day. But it definitely happened again. So I think it's just, I've been kind of going. And it's like, this happens every holiday season. You know, we're all feeling a little weird.
All the time.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. And I don't.
Like, you always have.
I just, you know. Alicia never does. She never does. But like when she does, she's like out. Whereas like I can still like function. You know what I mean? It's weird. Just finished editing yesterday's vlog. Alicia, Taryn, and I went to the coffee shop this morning, got a lot of work done, got some podcast stuff ready and prepped for recording today. We have to record 2 episodes so that we have enough episodes to go up during like Christmas and New Year's and stuff like that. I'm really not feeling like recording 2 episodes, but a girl is going to just like push through and we're gonna put in all the cough drops and make sure my throat feels good. And we're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through this. Can I get your opinion on my room really quick?
Of course.
Let's go. Okay, question. Do you think this shelf should go in this corner? Because when you first walk in, I liked it over there because it made the room, like it made it feel like kind of big. That's the only really spot that the chair could go.
Ash, you have 2 walls exposed to the outside.
Yeah, like yours. Actually, you have 3. Yeah.
That's why it's so cold.
So should the shelf go in that corner to make the room feel a little bigger?
Yeah, it won't look bigger. It just might look more cluttered because like you'll see more stuff.
I just thought it might balance it out more, but...
Yeah, like you have 2 short things there, then you have 2 tall things
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
But if you get a hanging plant right there, that'll balance it out.
Well, I ordered a lamp.
I would wait for the lamp.
Okay.
You have just show everyone.
Then I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, everyone. Officially, the room tour is happening. It's been a long time coming. I do want to take a moment just to recognize the amount of work and effort that went into this room switch these last 2 weeks. First, we cleaned the room. It was a disaster. Then we painted the room. Took a lot of effort. And then we switched everything over from my first room to this room and took everything that was in this room and put it in that room. It was a lot of work. I'd like to thank my dad. I'd like to thank my mom. And I'd like to thank God who gave me the energy to get through this. So without further ado, here is the official room tour.
Cameras everywhere. You look cute. You're sick. Why do you look cute?
You have to make up for the face with the outfit.
When I have a cold, I literally am like more fetus than I normally am.
The beanie.
Also, nice shirt. That's mine.
It's pink.
Just saying. Are you finally showing them your new room?
Right now. This is my new room. I am so completely and utterly happy with it. A lot of work went into this. It genuinely probably doesn't even sound like that big of a deal, but little changes like this I think are fun and refreshing and actually really good for you to just kind of like change up the routine, do something different. It's the first time in a long time that I've had to change rooms, whereas like back at our apartment, we moved around a lot and yeah, I feel like we were kind of moving almost every year. And here we are finally in one place for a long period of time and it's nice to like switch it up a little bit, try something different, you know what I mean? This is probably gonna sound really silly, but I have always wanted a room that was big enough to put a chair in, where it's like I could sit somewhere but not on my bed, you know? Or if people come over and wanna hang out, they could actually come in my room and have somewhere to sit other than my bed. So having this little baby is actually kind of like a big deal to me. The chair in the room makes me feel a lot like an adult. There's something about having a chair in your room that just makes you feel older. I have a chair in my room. cool. Now I was just talking to Alicia about possibly moving this shelf to this shelf just because I feel like this side of the room has two very short things to it and this other side has two very tall things to it. However, I did just purchase a huge floor lamp from Target that's gold and it comes up and over like this with a hanging lamp. So I think that might fix this whole corner situation. It'll look really pretty with this. Also it's gold and it'll match the curtain rod that I finally ended up getting yesterday. And yeah, guys, I'm really pumped for this. Here is the dresser situation. It looks a lot smaller on camera than it actually is in person. However, I'm not gonna lie, this is a very small dresser. I think I mentioned to you guys a few vlogs ago, I might end up getting a bigger one because my closet is a little full right now. Speaking of closet, here it is. Also, that's just a small little pile of dirty clothes. Don't mind that, just trying to be relatable. Here is the closet situation as it is. I'm not really happy with everything right now. Kind of threw it in here and to be honest, I was just a little tired. So I was like, you know what, I'll organize this some other time. I'm actually really considering maybe hiring someone to like put in some shelving for it because that would just be really nice. I'd like that a lot. You guys think I should do that? Let me know. I could do that easily, like top of next year or something like that. I need something different. What I have going on right now sucks. And to reach everything up there, I have the little footstool that is usually just out here like regularly, but I just moved it for, you know, filming purposes. So yeah, that is my room, guys. I am really looking forward to filming a intro in here. I haven't fully figured out exactly how I'm gonna have the intro set up, but it'll probably be something like this, where you see the mirror, you see the shelf, you see the bed. I haven't decided yet, but that's what I'm thinking. I'm tired. All right, I just Postmated some lunch. I'm getting pho. Hold on, let me set you down. It looks a little crooked. It's fine. I ordered some pho. This is like a Vietnamese soup. If you guys don't know what it is one of the best things on the planet to have when your throat's sore. Because the broth is just like amazing. You can add spice to it to like open up your nostrils, stuff like that. And it has a bunch of veggies. Stupid dishwasher keeps beeping at me. And it has a bunch of veggies, which is just delicious and so good for you, especially when you're sick. So I'm gonna eat this right now. Ugh, this Postmate forgot to get me chopsticks. Luckily, I have my own. I think I need a bigger bowl. All right, here we go. Vlog is up. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Update. Just finished my soup. I just did the premiere for yesterday's vlog, so that's up now. I have a few more work things to do, and then we are going to head over to the studio to record 2 episodes. That's the plan. What's for lunch, Lita?
I don't really know yet. I'm gonna
feel that. Problem is, like, when it's cold outside, you want to eat like warm comfort food, but how can you be healthy with warm comfort food, you know? There's a line. Just got a package from 5 Hour Energy. They're looking out for me this season, apparently. They just want me to be at my most energetic self. Also, ugly sweaters.
Oh, very cute.
That's always fun. And bubble wrap. That's always fun. Oh my God, another babe package. Move my tissues over really quick. Hey, babe. Cute. A babe beanie. Rosé, what is this? What is this? Some wine. Wait, is this a candle? Babe Wine has some of the cutest packaging on the whole planet. This is absolutely adorable. The white wine, the Pinot, says, family time is hard. And then the red says, winter is the worst. It's so freaking cute. And it comes with a candle that smells like pine trees. Oh, love it. Last and final package is from Lancome. There we go, there we go, there we go. Ooh, she's pretty. Happy holidays from my Lancome family with the holiday Lancome collection. Oh my god. Yay, I can't wait. Highlighter palette, eyeshadow palette, another palette, some lipsticks, lip glosses. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This time of the year, like the week before Christmas, is usually when a lot of packages start coming and it starts feeling like Christmas really quick. Oh my god. Corgi heaven. Hi. Can I do venti basketball? Met Patty's here. Got myself a medicine ball at Starbucks, and we're gonna power through this recording session. It's gonna be great.
Good. How are you? How's Ashley doing?
We are here. Hi, Mark. Hey. We have Christmas presents.
Wait. Oh my god. Don't touch it yet, Ash.
I did not touch it.
Don't touch it, Ash.
This is my first Christmas present that I've gotten of the season.
Map of LA.
It's a map.
How
Enjoy
cool.
with friends.
Thank
This is
you.
so dope. I just need some, like, I don't know, whiskey, bourbon to put in it. It looks like a bourbon glass. That's what it looks
Put your
like.
medicine ball in there.
Pours my medicine ball in this.
Question, like,
Right.
have you ever like thought something was interesting or funny?
Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast. This is Ashley.
I'm Taryn.
And we're Unsolicited Advice.
Getting your split on.
Snack time. Everyone left.
I know.
I was like, okay. Still recording.
Normally you have to do the selfie thing where you're kind of holding it in front of you, you know? And then you got to do this angle. Hold on. Wait, here's my feet.
Where my feet at? Matt's killing the vlogging game.
There's the comparison of you and
Yeah.
your beautifulness.
We know how to look pretty when we need to.
Really good.
Hello.
I'm like horrible, but
Yeah. Hi, honey. You okay?
Yeah, look, she just stared me down. She's like, what the heck?
Oh.
Okay, we'll be back.
Oh.
Back.
She's like, brother Matt, like,
Why are you
lay
leaving?
on the couch.
Honey, we'll be back.
made you
in
a
one-
bed.
Look at her hair.
I made you a bed, though.
I love her so much. Oh my goodness. We just finished dinner. We got home, changed our comp clothes, and we are about to go get a massage. Yeah. So excited. I can't express how excited I am.
She doesn't want her tambourine. I mean, this is the final straw. I got this with the bongos, with the cajon box, and now I find this with my stuff to go home with me. I'm deeply offended. I
Mom
cannot
got me
believe.
this tambourine with the bongos, and today I snuck it in her bag on her way out, and she found it.
I never thought my life would see this day.
Oh, by the way, everyone loves you and Dad, so.
Oh, tell them thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Well, I look like a mess right now, guys. I just had the best massage. It was very painful, but like in the best way. My neck was still a mess from the last time. You guys remember that last time. So she really went to town on it and it feels so much better. I'm still not feeling great, so your girl's gonna go to bed. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. Oh my god, is it 17 tomorrow? I can't believe it's 17. Christmas is around the corner and I still don't have anything for Alicia. I told you guys, please tell me what to get Alicia for Christmas because I'm running out of ideas. Thank you. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Monkey. Baby girl. Okay, for real, that's all. Bye.